first one that I'll be talking about today is called single sign-on, or you might know it as SSO. This is something that we introduced in a previous release that just allows participants to log in more easily. They don't have to remember a password associated with their ThoughtExchange account. So in the past, we've had Google single sign-on, which allows participants to log in using a Google account if they're already logged in their browser. But basically, the change that we've made in 4.6.2 is that we've expanded that capability to include a number of other different identity providers. So these are providers like Microsoft Login or Apple ID. There's a big list of them, and I would encourage you to check out our release notes that are on our help site at get.thoughtexchange.help for a link to the full list. But if this is something that you're interested in, this is something that we're configuring on a case-by-case basis for our customers. So please reach out to us or your ThoughtExchange coach. Or you can reach out to our support line directly at help@thoughtexchange.com, and we'll get you set up with single sign-on if you use one of the identity providers that we're able to link up with. And just to show you quickly what it looks like, I'm going to log in using Google single sign-on. And it would be just as easy as this. A couple of clicks. Participants don't need to remember a login password. They're immediately into the exchange.